In this video, you're gonna learn how to make money with Amazon KDP, but you don't want to write books, but you want a constant pay. People are making $153 an hour just by reading books. Guys, this is just insane. I know you guys are going to love this method of making money. And that's why I had to make this video today to share this method with you. And don't you worry, I've made sure that this is all for free. Anyone can do it and you can receive the payout anywhere in the world. Wherever you live, you can get paid easily. I'm really excited to show you this method because people are making $50 to $400 every single hour by using this method. And they're doing this just by reading Amazon KDP books. And if you like how this sounds, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, the sole mission of this channel is to make you money. I post 3 videos every single day with multiple methods of making money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video today, tomorrow, or next week, and you might not see that video. And that could have been the video that changed the game for you forever. And now that you've done that and you're making sure that you're going to see the next videos so you can max out your chance of making money online, let's head over to the computer because I'm going to be showing you how to do this step by step. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, you know the drill. Follow what I do, click where I click, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start making money. Now, the name of the website that we're going to be using is ACX, and basically what ACX does, it works with Amazon KDP to turn ebooks into audiobooks, and then they put that audiobook into Audible and sell that and make money. So basically what you're going to be using this website for is you're going to be finding a book that fits with your niche, fits with what you want. If you're a female, if you have a light voice, if you have a strong voice, you're going to be looking for books that fit your style, and then you're going to be a narrator for that book. You're going to record yourself reading that book, and you're going to be sending that to the author to make money. And don't worry, because we're going to be seeing how you can do this very easily in just a sec. And if you don't have the skills to read a book and be able to send it to the author, they're going to be giving you the appropriate training. That's what they say here on their website, so you don't have to worry about anything. As you guys can see here, they have Get the Skills to Succeed. Visit ACX University to learn how to produce, publish, and market great sounding audiobooks. So you guys don't have to worry about. They're professionals. They're going to help you every step of the way until you start making money as fast as possible. So what you're going to have to do once you go into the website is you're going to click, are you an actor or a producer? Click this, and then you're going to have to audit to the book that you want to be reading. I'm going to explain to you how you can perform all of these steps. Don't worry. So as they tell you here, they're going to ask you to create a rough draft of the audiobook that you want to be reading for. And after you've done the rough draft, you're going to read the full book and send it to the author as well, so he can accept your audiobook. Now they do this just to make sure that you're a good fit for the book, and just make sure that the author that you're what the author is looking for. Now if you don't have the skills to do all of this, they will train you through the ACX University, so you don't have to worry about anything. They're going to support you all the way through. You don't have to worry about this. And also they will give you the opportunity to make money as an affiliate marketer for them. And you see how easy it can be to earn up to $55 with the Bounty referral program. So on top of the money that you already be making reading out the books, you can also make money with Amazon, which is a huge company. Everyone buys audiobooks. I listen to multiple audiobooks a week. You're also going to be able to earn affiliate marketing money with Amazon, which is great. So this is how you find books to be auditioned. You click here, find a book for your voice. Just click this button right here on the left, as you guys saw the cursor. Now once you get in here, you're going to be seeing that there is 2,060 books that are waiting to be auditioned. That's a lot of books, guys. So you don't have to be worrying about too much of if you're going to be accepted or not, because they need people to read the books. They actually need it much more than you need them. So once you're in here, you can just take a look at all the books. You can find one that really fits your style. You know, if you like to read history books, you can read this one. If you like to read fictional books, you can read this one. There's like all kinds of books in here. There's story books, secrets of the angels. So if you want to find more specific books, you can also search here by, you can filter the books by fiction, language, accent. If you have a different accent, that could also be an asset for you here in this website. Let's say you have this German accent, right? You want to read an audiobook. Let's say you have an Indian accent. You want to read an Indian book. You can also search for this kind of books here in the website, and you're going to be able to find lots of different styles of books. So fiction, language, accent, vocal style, voice age. If you're young, you can read books for kids. If you're older, you can read books for older people. So this fits all types of people. You can also fit by genre, gender, and compensation. So as you guys can see, they have more than 172 pages of full books that you can read. So, you know, there's a lot of demand for this. So now I'm going to go through these filters with you guys and try to find a book that would fit my style. So since I'm a guy, I'm going to look for the gender male. I'm gonna filter it by male, so the people are looking for males to read them out would be these ones. So I'm going to search for vocal style, and I'm going to be looking for cowboy. Do I sound like a cowboy? Not sure. Let's say authoritative. Nah, I'd say more of a motivational speaker, right? So let's try this one out. So as you guys see, I've been presented with a lot of books that really do fit my style. Now in here, I'm going to click this invest now, laugh later, because it's actually the kind of content I already make for you guys, which is making money, investing, cryptocurrency, girl social media, that kind of stuff. I'm going to be clicking this book right here because this one really caught my attention. And as you guys can see here, it says estimated length of the book is about 4.8 hours. And it says here English, it has 45,000 words. It would take us about 5 to 6 hours to actually read this book all the way through. You don't have to read it at once. You can make pauses during your reading. Obviously, I'm going to be talking about that in just a sec, explaining how you can do all this, but you don't have to read it all the 5 hours straight. You can read like 20 minutes, stop a little bit, drink some water, have a tea, have some coffee, come back, do another 20 minutes, and you can do this, during the course of multiple days if you want to. You could just make a sit down and do it all at once if you want to as well, if you have the throat for that. So what they're looking for in this book here, they're looking for a male, adult, American general, American motivational speaker. I think I could do that pretty easily. So I actually fit this book. I fit the style of the person this guy is looking for. But anyway, I still have to do an audition anyway. The author has to see if I'm the type of person that's fit for the book, right? So I would click here. So if you want to see what book you're going to be reading, you can always click this view title in Amazon. It's going to take you to the book where it's selling on Amazon. You can see if it has good reviews, what the people are saying about this book, if it's good, if it's not good. You don't want to be reading books that suck because that might not look so well for you. So you don't want to be reading bad books. As you can see, this one has some pretty good reviews. It's not famous, but it has some pretty good reviews. So this would be a good book for you to read. And if you don't want to read a book this long, you can also go back and you can search for project length. You can search for how long you want the book that you want to read to be. So if you want a book under 3 hours, 3 to 5 hours, 5 to 10 hours, 10 hours or more, right? There's really long books. I've listened to the Bible in the Audible once and it was about 100 hours. So there's really big books. I don't think you guys want to be doing those. Try to find for books up to 5 hours. That would be optimal, right? So under 3 hours, if you want to do short ones, you can just click here. And as you guys can see, it narrowed down a little bit of the amount of books that it showed up to me right now. Right, let's try another book, see what it pays. Let's see how much it is. See, this one, guys, is half an hour. This book is 0.5 hours. It's only half an hour. So you could earn good money from a book like this and, sit down and read a book for half an hour. Anyone can do that. And it's really easy money. There's also this other one. This one is 1.7 hours. So it's almost 2 hours. And this one is paying $50 to $100 each hour that you're reading. So this book, you would make about $170 just for almost 2 hours of work, which is insane. So now that you guys have seen these ones, if you really want to take on the big projects, you can go back here, and the big projects obviously are going to pay a lot more. So you can go into project length and then you can remove this 3 hours here so you can choose a different one. Let's try 10 hours or more. I'm going to show you guys the big earning opportunities are in these ones. So if you want to make like a quick buck, like 50, 100, 200 bucks, you can go for the under 3 hours one if you want to make quick money. But if you want to make money like in 10 hours, this would be probably a book that would take you 2 days to read, right? So you would be making about, when you finish the book, obviously you would be making about $200 to $400 every single hour that you read the book. So if it's 10 hours or more, you're going to be earning an insane amount of money, right? So let's click apply. Right now for a motivational speaker, that is 0. So I'm going to remove this one. All right, let's male reader, 10 hours or more. I just removed motivational speaker so I could find more books. And I know I'm faced with lots of books. So let me try and find a cool one. Bitcoin evangelist. Let's see this one. This one is paying $50 to $100 per hour. Let's see a different one. Let's try to find a high paying one. This one is paying $100 to $200 per hour and it's 10.3 hours. So if you do this book and let's say you make an average of $150 an hour for this book, it's 10.3 hours. Let's make the math on that. 10.3 times 150. Just for reading this book in particular, you would be making $1,545, right? So for 10 hours, you will be making $150 every single hour. Like I said in the beginning of the video, about $153 every single hour. Insane. Seriously, this is a lot of money. Right, now I've found a different one right now, and this is where it goes crazy, insane. Check this out. Shattered Altar is the name of the book. The project length is about 10.6 hours, and the budget is from $200 to $400 per hour read. So let's make a math on this one. So 10.6 times, let's say you make 300 an hour from this one. You could earn 3,180 bucks just for reading a book for 10.6 hours. And let's say you make 400, because it's actually paying up to 400. Let's say you make 400 times 10.6. That's actually $4,240 for a 10-hour book that you're going to be reading. It's insane. So if you guys are looking for a life-changing opportunity to make money online, this is it, guys. Now, Amazon is a huge, huge empire. It's a huge company. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest. It's not the biggest. I think Apple is the biggest, but it's one of the biggest companies in the world. It's not in vain that they're one of the biggest companies in the world, because they make a lot of money. And to do this, Amazon is going to be directly paying you. And also remember that I told you guys that you also have the potential of earning affiliate money with these books. They're also going to teach you how you can make more money than you're already making reading the books with affiliate marketing. And that's all going to be taught through the ACX University, which is free, by the way. Now, as you guys can see, this book here that I'm showing you has the potential of earning you a specific amount per hour, right? So there's another type of book which they offer, which is this offer here. Some books are going to be offering you royalty share or royalty share plus, or you can choose to make a certain amount per hour. So it's your choice. And what this means is that royalty share or royalty share plus, they're going to be paying you a certain amount every single time they make a sale of that book. So they're going to use your voice to make the book, and then they're going to be selling it on Amazon. While the book is selling on Amazon, you're going to be earning commissions. Lifetime commissions. And the way you know if you should choose the commissions or the amount per hour is you need to visit Amazon and you need to see how well this book is selling. And as you guys can see, this book here, The Lightning Knight, it's been sold 195 times, and it's actually been sold more than this, but it's been rated 195 times, and it's actually been rated at almost 5 stars. So it's a really good book. You can check out the reviews to see if it's a good book, if it's going to be selling a lot. So on this here, you can make a decision if you want to earn per hour or if you want to earn the royalties. Sometimes the royalties are the better option, but not always. If you go into the book and you see that the book isn't selling, or if you go into the book and see that people are leaving bad reviews, then you could take the amount per hour. But if you see that the book is selling, like this one is a huge opportunity. This one is a huge opportunity. Then you can maybe choose the royalties plus or the royalties. It doesn't matter. And this means that you're going to be getting commissions every time someone makes a purchase on these books. Now let's go through all the steps that you have to take from start to finish, from when you create your account until you get paid, right? So follow along with me on this one. So step 1, you create a profile. This is how you get paid for the platform. Step 2, you upload some samples of your voice. They say tag an unlimited number of samples in your profile based on your accent, gender, and style. So if you can change the way you talk, if you can make like a child voice, an adult voice, or a more dramatic voice, then you can change your voice and send them samples, right? They can take a look at your voice and see if it fits multiple audiobook styles, okay? So step 3, how do you want to get paid? Choose per finished hour rate, like I explained to you guys, or you can choose to share 50% of the royalties. Now, if you're unsure, you can choose both, right? They say here as well. So step 4, audition, search for books you're interested in, narrating and record a few minutes of the manuscript if you're the right holder, blah, 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 receive an offer. Okay. Step 5, accept the offer that you receive. When a rights holder makes you an offer, agree on the delivery dates first for the 15 minutes of the audio and the audiobook and the payment terms. Okay. Step 6, start recording. Step 7, work with other studio professionals. To create professional audiobooks, you may want guidance of other audiobook experts. So if you have access to other experts, you may want to work with them. But if you don't, that's also fine, no worries. Step 8, finish the recording. Step 9, get paid. Step 10, come back for more. So who wouldn't want to come back for more, right? So this is literally all you have to do to start making money on this website. And as you guys can see, the potential of making money is up to $400 an hour, or maybe even more depending on the royalties that you start making through the sales of the audiobooks that you make. And if you still want to learn more ways of making money online, really easy, click this video right here that I prepared for you. I'll see you on the other video. Until then, work hard, play harder.